What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best Samsung laptops in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you want to save some money and still get a solid product, we especially single out the Samsung Galaxy Book Go, which thanks to its low price, deservedly won the title of the best budget Samsung laptop available on the market in 2022. On the outside, this model looks like a simple, thin, and light Ultrabook, but inside it has the heart of a lion with a signature Qualcomm and the Windows 11 operating system. The screen hinge allows opening by 180 degrees, which is a function that'll be a little bit difficult to use during this period because it's designed to facilitate the sharing of content in a work or study group. On the connectivity side, Samsung has done a great job. We find that more than anything else, this laptop is designed for basic but varied tasks. There are 2 USB Type-C ports, one on each side, a choice that simplifies the charging process as they both support it. There's also a USB Type-A slot, a micro SD card reader, a SIM slot, and a 3.5mm headphone jack and microphone. Wireless connectivity includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1. With the lid raised, the look remains modern enough, thanks to the slightly pronounced side edges of the screen. Minimalism reigns here as well. Before we move on to the performance and software analysis, let's look at 2 very important elements in a laptop, and those are the screen and battery life. The specifications list a 14-inch TFT LCD panel with full HD resolution and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The sound of the speakers is discreet. Although the speakers don't stand out, they are appreciated for their wide enough sound without unwanted gaps in the bass. In terms of autonomy, it's one of the important advantages of the Samsung Galaxy Book Go. In standby mode, it can stay on for several days without discharging. Moreover, this model can support days that are more demanding and easily exceeds 11 hours of consistent use if used for basic tasks, such as web browsing and document management. Another positive element is the 25-watt charger, very small and comparable to the power supply of a smartphone. Up next, introducing the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2, also known as the best Samsung Chromebook laptop available on the market in 2022. With this model, Samsung is expanding its commitment to QLED technology. After implementing it in its TVs for a few years, the company now brings these quantum dot panels to the world of Chromebooks. The new Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 is the first device of its kind to have one of these panels, equivalent to LCDs, but with better contrast, brightness, and color. Also, we have a convertible with a touchscreen at our disposal, a slim design, and stereo speakers behind with an amplifier that promises a sonic attach that is 178% louder audio output than the competition. The screen comes with a 13.3-inch panel and full HD resolution. As noted, for the first time in a Chromebook, Samsung is installing a QLED panel, an alternative to AMOLED panels. Built using aluminum and with a backlit keyboard, Samsung also includes 2 5-watt stereo speakers to offer sound above the most basic devices. Inside the Galaxy Chromebook 2, we'll find the 10th generation Intel Core i3 or Intel Celeron 5205U, depending on the market. It is accompanied by several models, and the device we're analyzing comes with 8 GB of RAM. Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 offers Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, while at the port level, we'll have 2 USB-C, a micro SD slot, and a 3.5mm port. The battery offers 45.5 volt hours, and it'll last you at least a part of the day, no matter what your requirements and needs are. You can study, relax, or work. Battery autonomy will not disappoint you. In addition to the touchpad, the Chromebook 2 is compatible with USI electronic pens and supports up to 4,096 levels of sensitivity, which is a nice addition. In terms of design, the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 boasts a sleek and slim design. It comes in red and has a size of 12 by 8 by 0.6 inches, while it weighs 4.51 pounds. Additionally, there is a Google Assistant that's ready to execute all your commands with just one word. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. The next product we'll talk about on our list of reviews for today is the Samsung Galaxy Book Flex 2 Alpha, which we can freely say is the best 2-in-1 Samsung laptop available on the market in 2022. This model has a 360-degree hinge design. It allows you to turn the device into a tablet with a large screen for taking notes, or enter the tent mode for watching movies or giving presentations. The laptop in this offer has a 13-inch QLED 1920 by 1080 touchscreen for an impressive viewing experience. This same QLED technology found in Samsung QLED TVs improves color, light control, and energy efficiency. Powered by an Intel Core i7-1165G7 4-core 11th generation processor and 16 GB of RAM, this laptop is designed to perform multiple tasks. Meanwhile, the 512GB SSD gives you enough storage space to keep your important files safe. Samsung promises that you'll have up to 18.5 hours of battery life with the Galaxy Book Flex 2 Alpha, weighing 2.62 pounds and measuring 12 by 7.95 by 0.55 inches. The Galaxy Book Flex 2 Alpha is lighter and thinner than its competitors. As for the ports, it's equipped with a Thunderbolt 4 port and 2 USB Type-C slots for connecting peripherals. Meanwhile, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1 cover your wireless needs. Samsung has designed this 2-in-1 as a premium product. With a slim, minimalist profile, superior finish, and ease of connection, the Flex 2 Alpha is truly the right choice and has great value for all professionals and creatives. If you're a gamer, this laptop will also serve you well and take your gaming experience to the next level thanks to its new processor. For maximum user comfort, the keyboard comes with a backlight, and there's more than a welcome fingerprint reader. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Up next, we present you with the silver medal and the title of the best runner-up Samsung laptop on the market in 2022. The award goes to the Samsung Galaxy Book S. We're looking at a lightweight and durable masterpiece of notebook design. Open the lid and you'll see that, in a completely modern way, the 13.3-inch Full HD touchscreen is surrounded by narrow frames. That's some pretty high quality, but incompatible one with the 720p Hello webcam above the screen and dual microphones built into the plastic area just above the keyboard. In addition, in the upper right corner of the keyboard there is a fingerprint scanner built into the power button, which makes logging in a little less painful. Physical connectivity is limited, as you would expect from such a thin laptop. You get 2 USB-C plugs, one on the left edge and one on the right, both of which can be used to charge the machine or send a video signal to an external monitor. There's also a 3.5mm headphone jack on the left edge, right next to one of the USB-C ports, and a SIM and micro SD card slot on the bottom of the machine. Wireless connectivity, on the other hand, is excellent, with Wi-Fi and 4G compatibility, thanks to the company's integrated Qualcomm X8 modem. The screen comes in a resolution of 1920 by 1080. However, it is perfectly sharp for the screen used at this distance. Unfortunately, there are no hints of HDR support here, but whatever you choose to watch on this screen will look bright, sharp, and vivid without returning into saturated territory. As for the speakers, they are impressive too. They can't play a whole lot of bass frequencies, but the sound you'll receive from this little laptop is impressively warm and rich. In terms of battery life, this model boasts an incredible level of endurance for a Windows laptop. In short, you'll be able to use this machine all day without worrying about running out of power, even if you're connected via Wi-Fi and 4G network. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Finally, we present the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro, the best overall Samsung laptop available on the market in 2022. The Samsung Galaxy Book Pro is a compact, lightweight, premium 2-in-1 laptop that impresses on multiple fronts. This laptop offers a Thunderbolt 4 port, a pair of USB-C connectors, a traditional headphone jack, and a micro SD slot. The S Pen is also included. The pen is black and plastic and doesn't seem particularly premium, but works great for writing and drawing. The AMOLED screen with Full HD resolution, on the other hand, offers excellent color reproduction and excellent contrast, even if it is less resistant to direct sunlight. The keyboard is also incredibly good. It is large and responsive, and the speakers sound very impressive. Battery life is good enough for everyday use, and performance is just as good. So we can freely say that it'll last 20 hours of work, and then you can charge it quickly thanks to the fast charger that comes with it. Even if the device is completely turned off, the startup and connection process takes only 8 seconds, which is simply great. The Samsung Galaxy Book Pro is available in several different configurations and prices. The model we're analyzing comes with an 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD. Quite enough for most users. It also comes in a beautiful mystic blue color and a 15.6-inch screen. In terms of connectivity, this model sports a Thunderbolt 4 port, a pair of USB-C ports, a classic headphone jack, and a micro SD slot. The keyboard is comfortable and sensitive, and the keys are large and backlit. It is a full-sized keyboard with a fantastic feel despite the very shallow key. Apart from the above-mentioned frames, the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360 is really very modern and also incredibly comfortable to use. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the best Samsung laptops of 2022. Like comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.